The whisper under the bed. Aiden moved into his new apartment, hoping for a quiet life. The rooms were old, the walls thin, but everything seemed normal on the first night, until he heard the whisper. It came from under his bed. At first it was soft, almost like the wind sneaking through a crack in the window. Aiden tried to ignore it and closed his eyes. But the whisper grew clearer. "I see you." Aiden froze. His breath shook. He leaned over the edge of the bed and looked down, but the darkness beneath it was too deep, too still. He tried to sleep again, but the whisper came back. "Come closer." Aiden jumped up and turned on the lights. Nothing. The room was completely empty. He waited for hours before lying down again. At exactly 3 a.m., the whisper returned, louder than before. "I am waiting." Aiden grabbed his phone to call someone, anyone, but the screen suddenly turned black. A cold hand touched his ankle from under the bed. He screamed and pulled away. Slowly, a pale face slid out from the darkness, its eyes completely white, its mouth stretched into a thin smile. "Do not leave me alone." The lights flickered and the creature crawled out fully, its limbs bending at unnatural angles, moving silently across the floor toward him. Aiden ran for the door, but the door would not open. Behind him, the whisper turned into a laugh. "You live with me now." And the last thing Aiden felt was the cold darkness pulling him under the bed, swallowing him whole.